Japan's railway system is one of the most efficient and extensive in the world. When we think of Japanese railways, images of bullet trains whizzing past or huge bustling stations often come to mind. However, nestled in a remote corner of Japan lies a wooden station building straight out of a fairy tale setting, where trains comprising just one or two wagons make their stop. My venture began in Abashiri, a small town in a remote corner of Hokkaido Island. I was here to witness a special natural phenomenon known as drift ice that takes place in this region in winters. Ruyo Monogatari is a sightseeing train that runs between Abashiri and Shiretokoshari stations in the drift ice season. Abashiri is a station where smaller and colorful trains with just one or two wagons can be seen passing by. The train tracks are just about visible, appearing to peek through the white blanket of snow in winters. The seasonal Ruyo Monogatari train embarks on a ride that begins in Abashiri, a city located on the coast of the Sea of Okhotsk. The highlight of the journey is the opportunity to witness drift ice in the Sea of Okhotsk as the train runs along the coastline. Drift ice, the frozen freshwater chunks from a river that drains into the Sea of Okhotsk from the Siberian side, are carried southwards by the ocean currents to the Japanese coast, creating a layer of floating ice sheets along Hokkaido's northeastern coast. The ride offers stunning views, and staff on board the special train gives information, although only in Japanese. After about 30 minutes, the train makes a halt at Kitahama Station, a small wooden building located on the shore of Sea of Okhotsk. Kitahama Station, built about 100 years ago, has undergone several renovations, but it retains its retro look. The building perfectly fits into its fairy tale surroundings. The post box in front of the station adds to its nostalgic charm. The station is now unmanned, but the erstwhile station master's room is full of messages stuck on the walls by visitors from all over the world. The view from the observation deck is glorious, especially at sunset, when the colors of the sky vividly contrast with the snow-covered landscape. The majestic Shiretoko mountain range can be seen in the distance. This is not a busy station. Occasionally, a small train chugs its way through this enchanting world. This was one of the most special sights I have ever seen in Japan.